What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a video for the lazy girl or the busy girl or guy that wants to look nice but either doesn't have time or not a lot of skill, possibly. I definitely fall into that category. I'm extremely lazy with my hair and I don't know how to do very much. So typically my hair is either straight or natural texture. Today I did curl my hair in 5 minutes, so it's real sloppy and messy, and I've been outside all day today, but you know, it still looks pretty good. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I usually leave my hair pretty natural. I don't do anything too fancy with it. I'm in the process of trying to grow my hair back out, so trying to keep as much heat off of it as possible. But over the years, I have learned some pretty easy hairdos that I think anybody can do. If I can do it, then you definitely can. I don't have a lot of talent when it comes to hair, so nor do I really care half of the time. So I've got, I believe, 7 different ideas for you, and these can work for curly hair, straight hair, long hair, short hair, anything. You can definitely do these hairdos. So let's jump right into it.
This first hairstyle is a play on the top knot. I'm taking a teasing comb and teasing the hair around the crown of my head to give it a little more volume. Now I'm just going to be pulling about half of my hair back as if I was just pulling it half back. And then rather than just leaving it in a ponytail, I pull it into an easy little bun and tie a hair tie around it. Then you definitely want to go back and pull back that hair that you teased to give it that volume, a little poof at the top of your head, and then pulling out loose hairs, and then there you have it, a nice little half bun. Next is the top knot, just taking the top of my hair and pulling it up. There's no rhyme or reason to this, and I like it to be pretty messy, so I just scrunch up the hair at the top of my head and tie a rubber band around it, and that's about it. This next hairstyle is going to be a messy low bun. I'm teasing the top of my hair again to give it nice volume at the top. And you can use any kind of regular comb. I have an actual teasing comb, whichever is easiest for you, you can definitely do. Just pulling my hair back, scrunching it up at the bottom of my head, and tying a hair tie around it. I have a lot of loose hairs here, so I have to go back and tuck those back in. I definitely want to pull some hairs out around my face and push back up that hair that I teased. And then there you have it. This next hairstyle is one of my favorites. Taking 3 pieces of hair at the front of my head, just making a really simple tight braid, and then tying it off with an elastic. This is really cute if you do a middle part and do it on both sides. And then I'm taking this braid and then just kind of fluffing it up and pulling it a little looser, and taking a section of the back of my hair and pulling it back and bobby pinning this braid back so that it's kind of tucked away and hidden, pulling the hair back over, and then you have this really cute bohemian style braid. Next, flipping my hair upside down, I'll be doing a messy bun, just scrunching all that hair on top of my head and tying it with an elastic. I have tons of little short hairs that I have to pin back up with bobby pins in the back. And I do this really quick and messy here. You can do it a lot neater, but messy is always fine. This is great for just getting your hair out of your face and when you're cleaning or just running errands, whatever you gotta do. Next, this is a really cute hippie style look, taking this headband. I could just leave it there with my hair down as it is, but here I'll be tucking it back as an updo, and you just take sections of your hair and tuck it underneath the headband so that it has this rolled look. And also doing this very, very quick and sloppy here, which is still cute this way. But you can definitely slow it down a little bit and make it a lot neater, which I would normally do with this look. After you have all those sections tucked back, pull some hairs loose around your face and lift up the crown of your hair just to give it a little more volume. And there it is. And lastly, we're gonna go there. I'm doing the space buns. These can be cute either just half up or all the way up. My hair is a little too thin to do space buns just with half of my hair. They turn out really tiny. So if I'm gonna do this, I do all of my hair. Just taking one side after parting it and getting it out of the way, and then taking a couple clear elastics, pulling this hair all the way up and making a nice little messy bun on top and tying the clear elastic around. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. This is another look that you can do a lot neater. I just did this very quick and messy to show that it can still be pretty cute if you're in a bind, but you want to look like you made some effort.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed those very quick and easy hair tutorials for the lazy or the busy girl. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed those quick and easy tutorials. It doesn't take a lot of skill, it doesn't take a lot of practice, and it definitely doesn't take a lot of time to do any of those hairstyles, but they still end up looking like you tried, and they look pretty darn cute. If you can do braids or French braids or fishtail braids, then there are a ton more options for you to do quick and easy hair tutorials that look like you worked really hard on them. I have extremely limited braiding skills, so if there are some girls or guys out there that have a little trouble braiding, then hopefully some of these easy hairstyles were helpful for you. And I hope everybody had a really awesome weekend. It is Sunday today, and it is gorgeous here in Sarasota. It's about 75 degrees, and I spent the whole morning walking out on the beach, and it has been really, really awesome. And I think it's time for me to go spend a little more time outside soaking up some sun rays. Clearly, I need it. I will see you guys next week for another video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments some great hair tips and tricks that you guys have for me, or any great hairstyles that you like to do regularly. And let me know what you thought of today's tutorial. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!